Hi, I am Rochelle Bundy. You have decided to buy a jacuzzi, but you're not sure which one. I will be helping you making that decision. I will be introducing the Rumflow Jacuzzi, which is a 8 to 6 seater, and it is one of our 8 models at Aquaspas. What the video will cover? It will cover its size, capacity, usability, features, ideal users, and available add-ons, as well as the external design to help you make an informed decision. The Rumflow Jacuzzi has a modern octagon shape with a dimension of 2.5 by 2.5 by 770 millimeters height. The main features of the Rumflow Jacuzzi: it's a 3-pump system, it has bellow buttons, a light, and much more. This product is perfect for families seeking quality time together. There are different add-ons you can add to your Rumflow Jacuzzi, such as a heat pump. It speeds up the heating process and maintains the water temperature, and it reduces the electricity costs. The Wi-Fi control system. It allows you to remotely control your jacuzzi via a smartphone app to preheat the water and set the timers. The Rumflow Jacuzzi comes on a steel frame which you can custom bolt your own decking around it. A shell, which is a strong and durable UV protected acrylic sheet which is 5 mm thick that drops into a steel frame. For more information, you may visit our website at www.aquaspas.co.za.